People bid goodbye to 2016. Governor, Chief Minister and a host of leaders greet people on New Year 2017. Police launched road safety awareness and traffic drive to prevent road mishaps on the Eve and New Year. Month-long 77 Nupi Lal observance concludes at Nupi Lal Memorial Complex. Minister Okendro asserts Manipur has the best roads in the northeast region. And former Haingang MLA N. Biren alleges that government did not plan to face objection against creation of new districts. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Premi Thangdam with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah wished the people on New Year. In her message, the governor hoped that the coming year will be much better and more prosperous as compared to the previous years. Chief Minister Okram Ibobi has greeted the people of Manipur on the eve of New Year. In this message, Ibobi said, New Year is not only an occasion for introspection but also for searching and involving new resolutions for the coming year. He said, may the New Year 2017 bring peace, prosperity and happiness to all. Speaker T.H. Lokeshwar also greeted the people on New Year. The speaker wished that the New Year will bring harmony and peace in the state.
Imalebak Manipur sida nawa sahi asi lakpa sina khoi punamak amaga nungsi chana leminaduna khoi gi Imalebak Manipur se masi tangdu leitaba aduga sagi amaga thajana daba lerak pase masi mata leitana naba khoi punamak as a whole praja section punamona Honda Minisi, Luna, Ishagi Okal, Hyperpose, Mase, Tadok Pirago, Imalebak Manipur, Damutan Haiduna, is a whole Manipur Leminari Bajati, Punamona, Nungshishana, Leminamik Damutan Haiduna, Aquemasel, Magamaga, Tazanaba, Puranava, Tanza Dog, and what's a Silak Pasida, PB Suishanu.
MPCC President T.N. Haukip, Deputy Chief Minister Gekangam, Chairman of Hill Areas Committee Manipur Legislative Assembly Dr. Charlton Lian Amo, Major General Virendra Singh, Inspector General Assam Rifles South and all ranks of Assam Rifles also greeted the people on New Year. Greeting the people of New Year, Chief Secretary Oinam Nabakishore said the government is trying hard to export black rice or chakao by increasing its yields. He spoke about the works done by government for the people in the last year to media persons at his office in Old Secretariat today. Nabakishore also said work has started to allow every household to produce electricity and make a living. Under the program of state government in collaboration with Manireda, the government provides a subsidy of 70% to each household to produce electricity by placing a solar panel on the roof of the houses. He appealed to the people to grab this opportunity and help in producing electricity. Nabakishore said the government has set a target of producing 5 megawatt of electricity through solar ways by March 2017. He further said work order has been given to convert the Makru and Barak bridges on Imphal-Jiribam Road into RCC bridges.
Manipur da koina piriba rooftop ki piriba solar ge se about 5 megawatt ni ataki March 2017 phawda mase ngamna bohonani Hojik Pawada Manipur rooftop kida 5 kilowatt amana koigi aham hoina kongpal rai koi sanga kare domestic kini atopa commercial gi wana 20 kilowatt amasu koi puthokwa hore lambi thong phanaba gi damak tari tongan ba program kaya lae Imphal More Road se ADB gi senthang makha da sasekna finance taraga lambi se improve tawna ba aduge DPR lore hojik lane acquisition gi thabak chathari anytime thabak se koi haurani. Similarly Makru amasung Barak Bridge gi thabak se haunana ba tender tawduna wa order pigre se NHIDCL na tawbani aduga Imphal Kohima gi lambi su mase koi improve tawna ba adugi program lere.
Democratic Students Alliance of Manipur, DESAM, today presented gifts to media persons on the year-end. Speaking at the event held at DESAM's office in Kaishampad, President Moirangthim Angamba said it is to show respect to the media persons of the state who work day and night in tough situation. He said a society will not develop without media and condemned any kind of threats to the media. He also greeted the people of Manipur on New Year. Angamba said DESAM will focus on the development of education in 2017 and make efforts to abolish tuition culture.
pressure to bidaba aki ekang nangan bidaba yamna free oina democracy gi yamna chawa saklo nama democracy bu mapang kalan bada soba daita ma lobiri ba media si koi maning tangna mathok to hanada kana kuma matana ayat pa pan ba bihining de bagi apa matu DESAM da lejai puhung hong makal gi ahong ba education system ama koi puhulak bagi soba campaign ma thak koi tawragani.
Imphal West Traffic Control Police and Imphal West District Police today launched road safety awareness and traffic drive to prevent road mishaps on the eve and New Year as people celebrate New Year in the state. The drive under the supervision of SP Imphal West District was held in and around Imphal city. All kinds of vehicles were checked during the drive. Triple riding on two-wheelers, riding without helmet and proper documents were fined, while persons following the traffic rules were given small gifts during the drive. Officer in charge Imphal West Traffic Police O. Dorendro said the drive is launched to prevent road accidents during the New Year celebrations.
Hemle uptraga ai gari ge chang sudraga baisa du tingi basa mat tingi haibaji wakalon je moida adugo knowledge ama adugo wakalon piragadi matum nau tholopom tam tam lapom tam da ai se chang subada ka wai ai hemle uptar ka wai haibai wakalon je khoina pijaning dana asugum drive se khoina moron ne pangluk chabani se chang je loina suram ta gadi akhoina check tawmo tam da magi awap amta lem dragadi koi traffic ki side gi yamna isam chamba kudom polam ko pijai drive tawmo tam da magi adumaina yu thai haibaji taseng na khoina identify tawbong am ta gadi akhoina file oina Sahum 1998 ko MV Act ta masigi magi sabsabi phang thogot punishment ji yaroga dum leirabni.
All political party meeting was held today at All Secretariat Conference Hall in connection with the assembly polls to be held in the early part of 2017. The meeting, chaired by Manipur CEO Vivek Kumar Devagand, was attended by representatives of various political parties. Several political leaders expressed their reservations about star campaigners going to hill areas for election campaign. The CEO assured that adequate security arrangements will be made for the star campaigners during campaigns. The meeting also discussed model code of conduct to be followed by political parties and candidates. The month-long 77th Nupi Lal Memorial Observance organized by Nupi Lal Memorial Association, Manipur, concluded today at Nupi Lal Complex, Nityaipat, Chutek. The observance began on the 1st of this month. Speaking as chief guest at the closing event, senior advocate Khaidem Mani appreciated the role of Manipuri women who had always made significant contributions in the history of Manipur. He said the Mairapaibis of Manipur are doing a tremendous job to make a better society by actively involving in prohibition of drugs and alcohol. As a part of the event, floral tribute was offered at the portraits of mothers who sacrificed their lives of Manipur. Members of Nupi Lal Memorial Association Manipur and people coming from different parts of the state took part in the event.
An Malumpilal, Anisub Nupilal, Mapunda Nupilal, Haina Kanariba, Aduga Nisabandi, Home Subada, Mari Subada, Maira Paibi, Haidana Tokiba, single example, Marputegi. Asigumba, the Lauri by my Belgi role sings Masiyam Chawi, Manipurgi, ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯔꯤꯕ ꯁꯃꯁ꯭ꯌꯥꯁꯤꯡ ꯏꯀꯣꯅꯣꯃꯤꯛ ꯕ꯭ꯂꯣꯀꯦꯠꯀꯤ ꯂꯣ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯑꯣꯔꯗꯔ ꯂꯩꯇꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯁꯥꯁꯣꯟ ꯅꯤꯡꯊꯤꯖꯅ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯉꯝꯗꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯔꯤꯕ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯗꯁꯨ ꯏꯃꯥ ꯏꯕꯦꯜꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯔꯣꯜ ꯂꯧꯒꯅꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯃꯥꯡꯖꯤꯟ ꯊꯥꯔꯒ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯔꯣꯜ ꯂꯧꯒꯅꯤ.
The 77th Nupilal Memorial Observance held by All Manipur Nupi Marup concluded today at Irabot Bhavan, Birtikendrajit Road. Speaking as chief guest at the concluding function of the month-long observance, President of All Manipur Nupi Marup, M. Saki, appreciated the role of Manipuri women towards the progress of the society. She said people would not have faced the hardship due to the economic blockade had there been a strong government in the state. As a part of the event, former President of All Manipur Nupi Marup S. Sorojini spoke on Nupilal and its uprising. Retired Principal of DM College of Arts, T.H. Bedamani Devi spoke on the relevance of Nupilal.
Asuk yamna wariba mayam singase masi kaidawragadi kokadage haiba sidaida laipak asidaida awonba sarkar ama aikoi mi bu mina otaba yamna mating laiba sarkar ama laiba taragadi aikoi nupi miyam ama laiba praja miyam singase khara safana hingba ngamgadra.
Rural Development and Panchayati Raj Minister Moirangthem Okendro today claimed that under the leadership of Chief Minister Okrami Bobi, construction of 78% of the roads leading to villages of Manipur have been complete. The minister today released the Rural Development and Panchayat Raj 2017 calendar today. Speaking at the function, the minister said construction of 78% of the roads leading to villages have been complete. He said, due to the construction works taken by the Rural Development and Panchayat Raj Department, Manipur is #1 in Northeast in terms of good roads and #4 in the entire country. Okendro wished for the department to perform better for the state.
Hanaki November tha phauda ekhoigi achievement se 78% habade ekhoina sanction toba work se lising amaga chama mabudra nipan gi manungda lising amaga chamga nifu mari se khoi accept toba ngame notice ki ne khoina best performing state oi sidanatana India gi oina mari suba position da khoi lei khoi Manipur sarkar gi maigi de gi amasung department sibu pujaba minister moina yagna khoi engineer sing secretary khoi team punamak pu sayagna thagachari de makhoi gi mapal dagini khoi ngasi masi accept toba ngamase.
Former Haingang MLA Nongthom Bambiren has alleged that state government did not plan in advance to face objections against the creation of new districts. He said the people are suffering due to this lack of proper planning. Biren also expressed confidence that there will be a united Manipur when BJP comes to power. He was speaking at a reception of national and international awardees of Haingang constituency at his residence in Luang Sangbam today. The BJP leader accused the government of being focused on recruitment and inaugurations of government projects and buildings at this crucial juncture. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, National Awardee in Maitai Pua Wari Liba, Wangkem Ibocho Maitai, Sanglakpa Nilakanta, who was part of the Indian Junior Hockey World Cup 2016 champion team, and students who have won national level competition 2016 were honored at the function.
Usit kata thani kata ngai kanda administrative convenience gi jati gi khanjade koki gi nachade naga gi nachade maisai gi nachade explanation yam phajaba reality the deadly yemagdi kari gi damakta sing sapot haningba administrative phajana pibi ningba ngasi gi lebi ba sarkar sina kari gi damakta sahi mari gi mamangda administrative convenience gi damakta district cp laukuk ki dribano United Naga Council haiba frontal organization underground the frontal organization Manipur gi naga tabalam se makhoi gi ne claim to se kuire high level areas the district creation tor ko matam da sum soi dan karigum bakara thokani ase koi prepare to bra government.
Shahid Madhumagol Foundation and ICAR Lumfel jointly organized an awareness camp training program on how to show pulse and mustard seeds at the community hall of Patsoi Patri in Imphal West. Speaking at the event, BJP Manipur Pradesh in charge Prahlad Singh Patel emphasized the need for producing seasonal vegetables when the farming season is over and the fields are empty. He said the farmers should focus on increasing their agricultural yields and consider the fields as their wealth. He appealed to farmers to use new technology for more yields and promised that the government will buy their produce when they face problem marketing them. Prahlad Singh Patel said the people of Manipur are facing hardships due to the economic blockade. However, if the people can produce their needs, it will reduce the pain to a certain extent. As a part of the event, mustard and pulse seeds were distributed to the people of Patsoi.
कि आप पैंट पहनते हैं, सूट पहनते हैं, इसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, आप पहनिए, आप 5 स्टार होटल में जाते हैं, आप जाइए, लेकिन हमारे अपने काम को, जो हमारा ट्रेडिशनल काम है, जिस काम से परिवार हमेशा चलता रहा है, उसको इग्नोर करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, बल्कि उसको अपग्रेडेशन करने की ज़रूरत है। सरकार की पॉलिसीज़ के साथ मिलकर अपने आप को अपग्रेड करने की ज़रूरत है।
Convener of BJP Manipur Pradesh Election Management Committee, T.H. Chauba demanded the state government to include the hardships faced by the people due to the indefinite economic blockade and the damage caused to Khwairambad Bazaar due to the January earthquake in its document highlighting the achievement made by the Congress government in the last 15 years. Speaking at a political meeting held in view of the upcoming polls at Kwakathil, Chauba said recruitments are held in several departments when the election is just round the corner. He questioned the government if the MOU signed not to hold recruitment has been withdrawn, and if it has been withdrawn, why it was not made public. The meeting resolved to support O. Malesh from Nauria, Pakang Lakpa.
UNCD economic blockade Sri Bobina Daka Logadone. Government Purabiman Daka Logui, Kari Romina Sumitoga, Sonda Bashapi, Yedikayani. Tava Happy Mashapi Pro, Tira the Yedikanadi, Adu Shalga, Lady Kanadi, Sri Nupavasa, Post Punamak, Department Punamak down, Sajin Kawi, Karada, Assembly on the Populaga, Assembly and Pass over. Maduri down, Sajini, Post Nado. Ngasi handokana kini ina tikla wa pamira assembly gwareka down sajin ko gibabo number ni.
General Secretary of Khetrigao Block Congress Committee, Imphal East, Laishram Guna has resigned from Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee and joined BJP. Laishram Guna submitted his resignation to MPCC President T.N. Hawkip on December 28. Let's take a small commercial break. We'll be back in a short while. Keep watching Impact News.
Sunflower Play School Chimanong Konani Karak admission open for 2017 for daycare, pre-nursery, nursery KG, monthly fee for daycare rupees 550 per month, monthly fee for pre-nursery, nursery rupees 400 per month, monthly fee pre-nursery, nursery plus daycare rupees 600 per month. CCTV camera are present in all the rooms. Post vacancy 2 teacher, 1 mother. Date of interview 9 January 2017. Section start from 6 February 2017. Van service available.
Beneath 100 meters from the Earth's surface, naturally filtered through saline stones, pure, clean and healthy water.
Ozal Pain Relief Ointment Khwang naba, kok chikpa, tang chikpa, amadi khu naba na singbada sinaba yarba Ozal Lipsap Group na puthok saba Ozal sinabiyo.
Welcome back after the break, and you're watching Prime Time English News. A Chinese hand grenade was found today at a farm near RTI Phaknung Makalekai under Lamlai police station. People found the bomb this morning around 7:30 when they were trying to collect art from the field. Bomb squad from Manipur police disposed of the bomb safely around 9:50. A grenade was found hanging at the gate of a contractor of midday meal in Uripokatum Lekai under Imphal police station. The bomb was discovered at the gate of Yengkom Jentaram, son of Y. Janaki, a retired manager of UBI. The bomb was found around 7 in the morning along with a sheet of paper. Red Army KCP was written on it. Later, the bomb was exploded by bomb disposal team of Manipur police at 7:40 a.m. at Lamphil dumping ground. Myra Paibi members staged protests against the planting of bombs at a gate of Yengkom Janaki Singh of Uripokatum Lekai, Maning Lairak this morning. The protesters displayed placards at the protest. Imphal West Commando yesterday arrested 2 cadres of KYKL from Salam under Patsoy police station while they were going to serve demand later. The 2 cadres were identified as Sagrapam Surjit alias Manglem alias Ibungo 46 years, son of S. Yaima Singh of Singjamai Sagrapam Lekai, and Aribam Tejeswar Sarma 53 years, son of late A. Kanhai Sarma of Kangempali Panthak. Sources said Surjit has been working under self-styled Major of KYKL and he has earlier arrested 2 times by Imphal West Commando with the recovery of 2 pistols, 2 grenades and 1 IED. 1 demand later was recovered from them. The second Tongbram Robindro Memorial State Level Sport Painting Competition was held today at Sagol Bantera, Lukram, Lairak Machin. The competition was organized by Youth Development Organization YDO under the sponsorship of family of late Tongbram Robindro to encourage the young children and tap the young talent. Around 200 students participated in the competition held in 2 categories. District Magistrate Imphal East has revoked the curfew imposed in the district with immediate effect. New Life Foundation, NGOs and self-help groups along with District Network Committee organized discussions on fair justice and violation of right to life at Lakeview Hotel, Moirang today. Social scientist Dr. Dhanabir Laishram, member of District Child Welfare Committee, L. Pishak and Executive Director of Life Care Ministry, Nikki Thanga spoke at the event. All Ziribam Road Transport Drivers Union distributed drinking water to the drivers and handymen of vehicles stranded in Ziribam. The General Secretary of the union, M. Tonubabu, said the union decided to help drivers and handymen who are waiting for the escorts to leave for Imphal. He also said the union will extend all possible help to them. Manipur backed the overall team champion of the 17th MTI National Muay Thai Championship held at Bangalore from December 20th to 30. Manipur won 4 gold, 3 silver and 1 bronze in the championship. Ukhrul football. Now, the sports news. A friendly football match between Meitei 11 and Tangkhul 11 was held today to bring harmony among the people in view of the economic blockade and counter economic blockade in the state. The match was played at Tangkhul Naglong Ground, Meitei Baptist Church. Ukhrul represented Meitei 11 while Ukhrul Viewland Lekai represented Tangkhul 11. Tangkhul 11 beat Meitei 11 4-3 in the penalty shootout. Convener of organizing committee P.K. Ating said the friendly football match was held to strengthen the bond among the people. Pastor Rambayambam of Meitei Baptist Church Ukhrul said appeal to strive for peace and harmony in Manipur. All Manipur and LKYDA Laipam Kuno have entered the semi-finals of the state-level mini boys 4-a-side under 35 kg football tournament. In the first quarter-final match played today, RKC Team A Khoyathong and All Uripok drew their match in the stipulated time. While Thongamba of RKC Team A Khoyathong and KSH Lanchinba of All Uripok scored 1 goal each for their respective teams. The match was decided by penalty kicks. Y Hentoy of All Uripok converted a penalty and none of the players from RKC Team A Khoyathong converted their goals. All Uripok beat RKC Team A Khoyathong 2-1. In the second quarter-final match, LKYDL Laifam Kuno beat MUC Maibam Kol 2-0. Rohit and Govind scored 1 goal each for the winning team. The tournament is organized by Rising Knowledge Club Khoyathong at their ground. Sonalika Konung Mamang have won the first YWC cricket trophy. Winning the toss, Sonalika Konung Mamang elected to bat first in the 2020 match was organized by Young Welfare Club Langtabal at Langtabal Public Ground. They met 60-10 in 20 overs. In reply, Sunriser Yaripok lost all 10 wickets in 19 overs and scored only 58 runs, losing the match by just 2 runs. Sana of Sonalika Konung Mamang was declared the man of the series and man of the match. Winners took away a cash prize of 30,000 rupees and a trophy, and the runners-up took away a cash prize of 20,000 rupees and a trophy. Before we end the bulletin, a quick look at the headlines once again. People bid goodbye to 2016. Governor, Chief Minister and a host of leaders greet people on New Year 2017. Police launch road safety awareness and traffic drive to prevent road mishaps on the Eve and New Year. Month-long 77th Nupi Lal observance concludes at Nupi Lal Memorial Complex. Minister Okendro asserts Manipur as the best roads in the northeast region. And former Haingang MLA N. Biren alleges that government did not plan to face the objection against creation of new districts.